readers, welcome to the brand new Level Up Literacy game show. I'm your host, Miss Tiffany. And this is my amazing co-host, Robot G. Before we get our play on, we need to go over the rules. Here's how our game works. Our contestants will face 5 literacy puzzles and have just 10 seconds to solve each one. When they get 3 out of 5 correct, they level up to the bonus round. Our puzzles test different literacy skills like critical thinking, comprehension, vocabulary, spelling, and of course, fluency. Are you ready to level up your literacy game? Let's bring out our very first contestant. Please welcome Wally. Wally loves reading adventure stories and wants to be a scientist someday. All right, let's play. This kind of learning helps you to remember what you learn and why it's important. That's right, Wally. Mindful learning helps us understand and remember what we learn. With 1 correct, let's go to round 2. This one will be a comprehension puzzle. Sunny planted a seed. She watered it every day. After 2 weeks, she saw a small green sprout. What happened because Sunny watered the seed? Aw, yeah, Wally, you did it again. That's correct. That makes 2 out of 2. Let's keep going. Okay, Wally, you're so close to leveling up. Just 1 more correct answer and you'll advance to our exciting bonus round. Are you ready? Join us in the brand new Imagiread Level Up Circle and find out if Wally is going to the bonus round. Click the link in the description to sign up today.